Hey, if you're seeing a payment failed error on Patreon, yeah, it's frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get it working again quickly. First things first, let's check your payment method. Most of the time, the issue is just an expired card or incorrect details. So yeah, double check that your card number, expiry date, and CVV are all correct. Next, make sure your billing address matches exactly what your bank has on file. Even a small mismatch, like a wrong zip code or spelling error, can trigger a failed payment. Now, if everything looks fine but it still fails, your bank might be blocking the transaction. Some banks automatically block international or subscription payments, so it's worth calling them or checking your banking app notifications. Another quick fix is switching your payment method. If your card keeps failing, try PayPal if it's available in your region, or add a different card. Sometimes Patreon just doesn't like one specific payment route. Okay, if it still doesn't work, it might be a technical issue. Try clearing your browser cache, switching to incognito mode, or updating the Patreon app. Yeah, it sounds simple, but it fixes a lot of weird payment glitches. And if nothing works, the last step is to contact Patreon support. Just explain the issue, include a screenshot of the error, and they can usually tell you exactly what's going wrong on their end. So yeah, one of these fixes should get your payment working again. If it helped, you can like or subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and take care. I'll see you in the next one.